Hi, this is Carl with Vision Realty Centers. We're here today to talk about save searches and auto emails in the new RCO3 system from RealComp. Now, it's important to have these auto searches for your clients so they know when a new home that meets their criteria pops up. But it's also a good tool for agents to monitor their business. Now, let's take an example of if you're going to prospect for expired listings. Well, if you save a search for the expired listings from the last 7 days in your area, then you could just refer to that search every Sunday or every Friday, once a week, and write down the addresses and then go out there and prospect. You could also do the same thing with sold homes to keep an eye on the market. Now, let's start by looking at the expired searches. Now you go up to this top here and there's a recent searches box, which is helpful. If you just go through your recent searches, let's look at expireds, and this is something I already set up. Now up here you can see a speed bar shortcut. Now we'll show you how to make one of these in a moment. Here, let's do it with the sold status here. Now back here at the bottom you can see there's these buttons: actions, refine, save, carts. Now today we're going to worry about the save. Now you can save it as a search, as an auto email, or a speed bar shortcut, and this is the speed bar up here. So let's try speed bar shortcut. It has to start with a little slash right there. So since these are sold, let's just do slash sold, hit save. Now let's just go back at home, just type slash sold, hit enter, and it should, it popped up those last listings. And that can come in handy if you're doing a quick search. You can do that for clients. You can do slash Frank or slash Susan and just pull up their search real easily. Now let's say you want to turn an auto email. You cannot send off-market listings with automatic emails. So let's look at the active listing search I have here. Now we got 193. Now this criteria is all listings around South Line. We can look at the map here to take a look here. Right there. Let's go back to the results. Go back to the bottom and hit save and hit new auto email. Now we can create a new contact here if you want and just put in their information in this box, or you can look at your existing contacts. If you have a lot of them here, you might notice that they're not all here. So you scroll to the bottom, you click more, and then it brings up the entire list. Now this is the subject line of the email, and this is the message that will be sent off with each email. So make sure you tailor this to the specific client. This is just a summary of your criteria for the search. This is where you edit your email signature if you want to do that. And then down here, these are just different settings for favorite searches and home tabs. Then right here is where you can schedule your searches. Now, you can do 2 a day, one for morning updates and one for afternoon updates, but you might want to just switch to once a day or maybe once a week. But you could also just hit ASAP, so they're sent as soon as possible, as soon as the new listing hits the market. But that could send them 24 emails a day. That might not be the best thing for all clients, but for picky clients with a very specific criteria, it might work well. Let's hit cancel on that. Now, if you had a lot of clients and a lot of saved searches in the old RealComp system, you're going to wonder, hey, how do I get those old searches back into auto emails? Well, they're there, just like your listing or your contacts were imported, which you can find under contacts in my RCO3 up top here. You can also go to save searches, and it brings in all the imported. It'll say imported, and in order to change this back into an auto email, you have to click on it to collapse it and then hit settings, and then right up here, it's just this little link right here. Turn this save search into an auto email. That will take care of it for you. Now, if there's any other questions, you can give us a call here at the office, set up an appointment for training at RealComp's home office, or just check out the help menu here and search for your problem. Have a great day.